Hey guys, so now we will going to talk about credentials. So sometimes it is called as a API token, or some can even call it as a key. Now, my dear friends, in the market there are plenty of applications, maybe Google Drive, Gmail, okay. It could be PowerPoint, it could be Airtable, it could be Google Sheets, it could be ChatGPT. So in the internet there are plenty of different apps, okay. So when we want to create any AI agent, and let's say if you want to build some sort of automations, so all these apps work together with N8N, okay. So N8N allow you to use different apps, okay, so that you can do automation and create AI agents. So all you need to understand is that when we talk about credentials, okay, you can say it like API token or key. Some company or some apps called it as a API, like ChatGPT called it as a API, okay. And let's say Airtable called this as a token, or let's say Google called that as a key, whatever the case it is. But all you need to know is that when we talk about credentials, so it helps to integrate apps with tools. So tools is our N8N, okay, or you can even use make whatever tool you're using. Let's say in our case we are using N8N, okay. So I believe that you guys have set up the N8N. So whenever you want to use different apps to do automation or to create AI agent, all you need to do is to connect them with N8N. So for example, let's say if you talk about Gmail, which is a Google service. So if just go here in N8N, you will see this credentials option. Here you will see all the credentials options. So these credentials basically allow you to allow anything to use these applications to create your automations and AI agents. So for example, if you click on the top, click on create credentials. Let's say if you want to use Gmail, click on Gmail, also click on continue. Now you can see it is asking for, let's say, client secret and ID, okay. So basically it is asking for secret key and client ID key, okay. So Google is basically, you all know that Gmail is a Google service, okay. Let's say if similarly, let's say if I cross it, close, and let's say if you want to go with any other service, maybe let's say Airtable, okay. Let's go ahead, click on continue. Now you can see it is asking for token. So all the apps in the market, in the internet, will provide you with the options to create API tokens and key, which you can use to integrate with anything. So you can see in anything, just search for any application you want. For example, let's say let's search for, let's say, PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint is not here. Let's go with maybe uh, let's say Gemini, okay. So here you can see Google Gemini. You can see, tap here, click on continue. Now if you want to connect uh, Gemini, it is asking for API key. So all the apps in the market will going to provide you with some API token or key. All you need to do is to copy from those apps and paste it here, and boom, your anything will going to get connect. That's it. Now I believe you guys may be worried how we can create and all, but just understand that these apps integrations allow to create automations, okay. You can see that when we talk about this apps integration allow to create automation, okay. You can basically check our website, okay, for all the guides. So for example, you can just go to our website, which is KuKu courses, okay. Just go here and click on kukucourses.com. Just go over here and in the library, okay, click on free library. Now my dear friends, here we have this N8N credentials and integrations. You can see here, okay. Otherwise you can also search here, if possible you can just search for N8N credentials, something like this, and you can see N8N credentials and integrations. Just simply tap over here, or you can basically click on the view button. It will take you to the same page. Okay, so I will click on view page. Now here we have created this for you, which is N8N credentials and integrations. So below here you can see all the different apps, okay, which you can see. And if you want to learn how to maybe connect, let's say pin cone with N8N, okay, if you want to learn that, simply click on this view button. It will open a tutorial how you can connect. You can see N8N with pin cone integrations. Simply click on the play button. We will going to integrate and watch the video. Okay, so in case if you don't know, let's say if you go here, let's say uh, click on create credentials, just search for pin cone. Now pin cone will also going to ask you the API key, but how, where you can get the API key of the pin cone. So that thing you can basically learn from our tutorial. So basically whatever tutorial we have listed, so we will going to create the video for all of them. So let's say if you want to connect maybe Google services, it includes Gmail, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, each and everything. Okay, so click on this view button again. It will going to open this video for you, which will help you to integrate N8N with Google services. So now if you will see here, if you cross it, close. Now click on create credentials. Now let's say if you go with any Google service, let's say Gmail. So all the Google services will going to ask you client ID and secret. So how you can get the client ID and secret key, so that we have taught here in this video. So just click on the play button. Sorry, not over here. Watch this video, which is Google integration, and this will going to guide you how you can get the client ID and secret key, and then you can connect any Google services, whether it's a Gmail, Sheets. Even if you see a cross it, let's say Google has other projects as well. So suppose if you click on press button, you can see all the Google services, like they have Drive, Gmail. Okay, they have even calendar, photos, Sheets. Now let's say if you want to connect maybe Sheets, let's cross it. If you again click on here, just search for Sheets, you can see Google Sheets. Continue again, it is asking you the client ID and secret. So basically once you watch this tutorial, which is this one, N8N integration with Google, it will going to help you to generate the client ID and secret key, and then you can use any Google services, okay, and connect that with N8N, and you can create automations. Okay, so now your homework will be to go ahead and watch all the tutorials. Okay, just go here and watch all the tutorials, because majority of them we will going to use it for this particular course. Okay, so I will suggest you to watch each and every one of the video and learn and integrate, okay, N8N with other apps like Google, OpenAI, Airtable, Pincon, and in future we will going to even add more. But currently these are the four I believe integrations which are the very important, which we can use. So make sure that you go ahead, and it's your homework to watch all of the video and integrate them over here. Okay, so for example, let's say I pasted my client ID, then I will paste my client secret, and both of the things you can generate by watching this video. Okay, this will help you to generate the client ID and client secret. Okay, once you do that, you will see the sign in with Google button option. Simply tap on it and continue button. So everything is covered in our tutorials. Okay, so it's your homework to watch all of them. I will select all. I will simply going to click on continue button. Boom, you can see connected successful, done. It will redirect in 5 seconds. Boom, and you can see account is connected. Now I can use Gmail in my automation, and you can see the Gmail integration is over here. Very simple and easy. Okay, so similarly, make sure that you watch all the tutorials here and integrate other apps. Okay, hey guys, so we have also provided the complete free course of AI agent in our website. So just search for KuKu courses in browser, go to kukucourses.com, uh, go to courses, click on free courses here, and just search here for AI agent. Okay, and then you will going to see this free course. Click on this free course, and you will see once you click on the start course button, here we are going to add all the parts. Here you can see welcome to this AI agent course. Then part 1 is about, just click here to learn concepts of AI agent, and in future we will going to add more and more parts. Okay, so you can always come, totally free course. If you love it, you can always share this course with others as well. Okay, and I will also going to attach the link for my N8N masterclass for AI agent full course. It's complete 12 hours course. If you are interested, you can also check this out. I will going to attach the link below. You can even purchase it at a one time single course. Okay, just for this course you can pay, or you can buy our membership, 20 years per plan or lifetime deal. Okay, so this membership will going to include the AI agent course plus other courses in our website. So that's totally up to you. I will attach the link below for this course. Okay,